Hello everyone, I'm Sukoon and welcome back to my channel Sukoon by Art. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make clouds on night sky. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna take white color on two different places on my palette. Now because this is a night sky, we are gonna add dark blue color with white. Now just paint your entire background, your sky with this blue color. And also if you haven't liked this video yet, go and like it. Also drop a comment if you want any other tutorial video, and also subscribe for more such content. Now let's start with our clouds. First, I'm gonna add a little more white to my blue color. Now we are gonna take a round brush . Take a paint and start tapping it on the paper. Do not stroke it, just tap it so it gives our cloud a little structure. And also, once you put the paint, tap it with your finger. Just tap it, and this is all you have to do while you're making a cloud. Just put the paint and tap it. Now we are going to take white color and we are going to do the same process. Apply the paint and tap it with your finger. Now this looks too much white, so we are going to add a little more blue to it, and we are going to tap it with our fingers again. Now we are going to add a little shade to our clouds. So we are gonna add red color in this dark blue color, so it will look a lot like a purple, but it is not exactly a purple color. Now you already know what to do. Just put the paint and tap, tap, tap. Now we are done with our clouds. Now I'm just gonna add a cute little moon over here and some stars. That's it. And we are good to go. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope your sky and your clouds are ready to go. And also please press the bell icon, subscribe this channel, and comment, like and share. Bye bye, and I'll see you soon.